Hello guys, welcome to the channel .NET Expert. So in this video, we will see like what is the use of extension methods and why do we need that. So as the name suggests, it's we are extending the properties of a particular type. So when I talk about the type, it might be a string or it might be a class as well. So here, let us say that like we do have a class called as employee data, and we will try to extend the properties of that. So extend the methods of the particular thing. So what is the meaning of that? So we mean to say we do have three methods here, M1, M2, M3, and ideally what happens in the future, we think like there will be a possibility of extending some of the properties of this class. So to do that, actually what we have to do, we just have to use the extension methods so that like it can have more methods which is which can be consumed later stages. So to do that, actually what I did, I created a employee extension class. So there you can see there are few things you have to remember when you're using the extension classes. So the class must be always static and the method always must be static. So if I remember the static keyword here, so you can just see an exception saying extension method must be defined in a non-generic class static, not non-generic static class. And if I just remove the static keyword from the method, so you can expect a similar kind of error. It says extension method must be static. So ideally, you just have to make sure whenever you're declaring a static, extension methods, it has to be having the static keywords, and you should you always use this keyword to extend the class. Example, this refers to yes, I just want to go ahead and use employee data and extend that particular class. So that's what it means to say. So let us do one thing, like we can just try to call the objects here. So I just try to do this here. So you can just see here, okay, method one, we already know we create an object. It's already part of the class, and let us see like what's going to happen with method 4 or 5. So ideally method 4 is part of the extension methods. So will this get is this going to get called? Let us see that. Let's try to run it and see here. So we should be able to see M1 and M4. Yes, we should be able to access the extension methods which I created it here. So let us do one more thing, like let us do it for uh, um, uh, the one of the best example. People, what they do, most of the examples, like they'll go ahead and provide you a string. They'll try to provide the extension methods for the string data type. So that is also possible. You can just go and give it a try on that and let me know how it went. And maybe it's always good if you guys try something on your own, and let me know if you guys have any questions on that. And thank you so much for watching this video, and all the best for your interview. Thank you so much. Bye bye.